Why do men, on average, die about 6 years earlier than women? I found this question really interesting, so I decided to dig deep into the research. And honestly, what I discovered was surprising. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Susan. Welcome to my channel, where we discuss health, wellness, and important topics in a clear and honest way. I believe good information can change lives, and here I share insights to help you live healthier and smarter. Don't forget to subscribe and join this growing learning community. There are many theories. Men usually work more dangerous jobs. They're exposed to higher occupational risks. Men go to the doctor less often. They smoke more. They have more heart attacks and strokes. So yes, those factors are real. But here's the interesting part: women actually suffer more from autoimmune diseases. These conditions are often chronic, long-term illnesses. Yet, they are not the main reason women die earlier. So the real question is, why do women live longer? The answer lies in a specific gene called the longevity gene, known as FOXO3. This gene helps keep you alive longer, and in women, this gene is more active. It's expressed more strongly. Why? Because women have estrogen. This hormone activates the FOXO3 gene. But estrogen isn't the only thing that turns this gene on. There are many other factors, and today, I'm going to share them with you. Personally, I found this fascinating. I wanted to understand how humans can actually live longer. In some cultures, this gene is even more active. For example, in Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy, people there often live past 100 years. So what does this gene actually do? It protects against cancer. It helps repair DNA damage. It makes your body more resistant to stress. And it helps you adapt to harsh environments. So why is it more active in women? The answer is reproduction and fertility. Nature designed the female body with extra protection. Women were given survival-focused genes to help them live longer, even under difficult conditions. Now, the most important question: how do you activate this gene? I'm about to share the exact things that trigger the FOXO3 gene. And it doesn't matter if you are a man or a woman. Following these habits can help anyone live longer. I have two lists. One list contains things that increase FOXO3 expression. The other contains things that suppress it. Let's start with number 1, phytonutrients. The first nutrient is astaxanthin. The name sounds strange, but it's powerful. It's the red-orange pigment found in fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, pomfret, and shrimp. Astaxanthin is one of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. It's about 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C and 100 times stronger than vitamin E. It protects your nervous system, eyes, skin, and heart. Next is sulforaphane. This is found naturally in leafy vegetables like cabbage, radish leaves, and turnip greens. Then we have egg, which comes from green tea. It's a powerful antioxidant with a long list of benefits. It improves blood sugar control, reduces inflammation, and protects against cancer. Next is resveratrol. This directly activates the FOXO3 gene and supports longevity. Now here's a very interesting one: cold and heat exposure. The contrast between cold and heat activates this gene. That's why cold showers, saunas, ice baths, and heat therapy are so beneficial. This gene actually evolved when early humans faced extreme cold and extreme heat. To survive, the body adapted, and these protective genes were created. Next, intermittent fasting. Think about human history. People faced hunger and food shortages all the time, so the body developed survival mechanisms. Intermittent fasting is like a mild version of that stress, and it activates the FOXO3 gene. Next is sunlight. This might surprise you, but UV radiation from the sun also activates this gene. If you stay indoors all the time, you miss out on this benefit. Now let's talk about what suppresses this gene. Number 1, high insulin levels. In type 2 diabetes, insulin stays high all the time, and high insulin slowly shuts down the FOXO3 gene. As a result, lifespan shortens. Next, chronic stress. Notice the key word here: chronic. Short-term stress can actually make the body stronger, but constant, ongoing stress shortens life. Next, overeating. Eating more than your body needs every single day suppresses this gene. Then there's another major danger: EMFs. Electromagnetic fields from cell phones, Wi-Fi, and electronic devices constantly stress the body. Another serious category is endocrine disruptors. These include pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, plastics, synthetic fertilizers, and heavy metals like aluminum and mercury. These chemicals mimic estrogen in the body. They create hormonal imbalance, and they suppress the longevity gene. Remember, real estrogen activates this gene, but artificial, fake estrogen blocks the real hormone from doing its job, and that's extremely dangerous. Now you understand why women live longer. But if you're a man, you can still apply these principles and increase your lifespan. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.